Hello. Is this thing on? I'm making a video for Patreon. I filmed a little bit yesterday, and usually the videos that like I'm not quite sure about, I just post them on my Patreon. Yeah, I just kind of like that. I'm on the floor because my back is like killing me, and I think it's because like I'm sitting here and I'm editing this stuff. Like I put like tape up here. Got like lidocaine or something in it. I'm leaning back on something so that I'm not hunched over. So hopefully this will change things, some things. But again, you never really can tell. I went out and I filmed a camcorder photo street photography thing. Thought that was pretty interesting because everyone's getting into like the digicams and like, you know, the old school cameras, and like everything old is like now coming back, like Sony Walkmans, like all that stuff is all coming back. And I wanted to do something with like a 3.3 megapixel camcorder and like take photos with it and stuff, and make it look cool, do a video about it. So that's what I did this morning because I can't work out because of this patch, and my back also is, you know, hurting. So that's where we're at right now. There's no memory card. Right, why would I think that there's a memory card? I'm gonna ruin these memory cards. Okay, I also want to say that I have a new filter on this camera. It is a black filter, so what that does is basically it's like a mist filter. So these lights here, this is the easiest way I can describe it. It makes everything kind of softer. It makes all the lighting kind of softer. So this light, you could see the kind of soft edges. So if I unscrewed it and took it off eventually, you could see how it makes the light just a little bit more softer. This filter also acts as a lens protector because on my Canon, I have a UV filter, which means like there's nothing in the glass. It's just a piece of glass to protect the lens. So this is kind of acting as my UV filter, except it actually has a purpose though. It makes everything softer, skin tone softer, bright light softer. It's just nice. It's like a built-in diffuser almost. It's my lunch. I'm just like honestly spending the entire day editing again. Like if I don't put a cap on it, I'll just spend the entire day editing. Like that's just how it is. I need something else to do with my life. Maybe this is why we go door dashing, to get out of the house. I feel like I'm struggling with purpose in some of my videos, and that's just what I'm struggling with right now, and I don't know what to do about it. What I am gonna do is I do have another video to edit. Okay, let me lay this out for you. A story is not a story until the story problem has a solution, but that's the issue. A simple story structure has a rising action, a climax, and a falling action. The rising action is indeed the issue being the issue. The climax is the issue figuring how to solve it, and the resolution or the falling action is solving it and what you've learned from it. Except the thing is, for me, I don't have a solution. My issue is I don't feel like my videos have value in them, which is why they are not getting seen or getting the retention rate or whatever that I'm focusing on. And I don't know how to solve that. I don't know how to pick a story out of a video and have it be this collective, cinematic, beautiful masterpiece, right? Or even a masterpiece like Casey Neistat. I simply just don't know and understand how to do things like that. I have no solution to the issue, let alone having a solvable issue. It's like, how do I find a story in my boring everyday life? And there's tons of videos on that, but nothing really gives you a step-by-step structure. Nobody really gives you a sense of, you know, a few examples. And so I'm still currently trying to pick apart how to collectively make a story out of my vlogs, or how to give value back to other people through my videos, and guess I'm still working on my purpose. I guess that's the kind of whole thing with this. I'm struggling to find purpose and to give value in these videos, and maybe I need to focus on a different subject. Maybe I need to, you know, have a different theme. I don't really know. But that's where I am right now, and that is what my issue is, that I don't have a solution for right now. And maybe sometimes videos, movies, things are cliffhangers, and you don't really know what the solution is, or you can't really find the ending, the learning lesson of it yet. Maybe it's an ongoing thing. Maybe that's all what life is. It's just an ongoing issue, and there's no way to solve it. Why do some of our stories have to have perfect, wrapped up, gift handed to you, spoon-fed endings? Maybe that's the question we should ask ourselves. That's where I'm at. Do you guys remember back in like 2008 where YouTube was just a platform to post videos of people being stupid or like dumb animal videos? Like, why can't we have a sense of that? Like, that is my section I need to be in. Like, my stuff just doesn't have a purpose. It's just there to be documented. It's there there's no story to it. It's just life happening. And that's what YouTube was back in the day. It was just, there's no editing, no fancy cuts, no cinematic footage. It was just literally people in their everyday life doing dumb stuff. That's what I loved about old YouTube. And this new YouTube, it's like freaking a streaming platform. And, you know, if you don't have like the cinematics, the cameras, the money, the funding, the color grading, it's just like you won't get anywhere. And it's frustrating because like I'm having this like weird thing where I'm just like, all I want to do is just be back in old YouTube. And as I'm watching old YouTube videos, like that's just what it was. It was just people, like no tripods, no nothing, just shaky footage galore. And it was just a pigsty of life being captured on film. That was literally it. That is home videos too. It's just people living their everyday life by your dad's shaky hand filming literally grandparents sitting or spots of the carpet, you know? So it's just like, I want that to be my videos, but like there's also a thing where I want also the new YouTube. I want to combine the two. It's just like this, I have a dilemma. Like I'm just trying to have a sense of style, but I'm trying to have, because like I know my video quality is not going to be the most cinematic, perfect storytelling piece, right? Because that would take me like months to do one singular video, right? Like it did for my movie. But I'm over here doing a video every single day, so trying to have all these things, and it's just it's a mind fuck honestly right now. I have to get away from the computer screen, so we're gonna go DoorDash. We're gonna go try and see if we can at least get one order, because I was tired of sitting down. We need a little adventure in our lives. So I'm gonna grab a GoPro and my backpack, and we better head out. I literally just looked at my Dasher app, ready to go, everything. It was busy, right? Now I look at it, there ain't nothing there. It is blank. Can't DoorDash. So I think I have to wait till like 1 or 2. Those are the times that really give me the notifications like, hey, it's busy. Go make money. Okay, I'm trying to DoorDash again. I've got 2 8 miles ones, but I was like, no. So, okay, this one's 3. Shea Steaks. It's $4, 3 miles. I'm going to the hospital of Pennsylvania, so this should be interesting. Just dropped it off at the hospital. Okay. I gotta get back home now. 15 minutes. Okay, what do we got? 5 miles. Why is everything so freaking far away, dude? What we're getting, I get like $2, but oh, floor 9. Okay, I'm in a really fancy. Please leave it on my front door. On my way home, I will tip you in the app. Okay, great. What? Okay, so I'm in the west, and this is and I need to go to the east, and this person is like messaging me so much. Like, they're so mad. Like, girl, I didn't put down your stuff yet. Okay, I'm in the right tower. Now I just have to go up and wait for the elevators. I'm gonna tell you how stressful DoorDash is. I'm gonna tell you. Wow. Okay, also this place is fancy. Okay. All right. Well, that was interesting. I don't know if I'm gonna do any more. I'm looking at them and they're all like more than 2 miles, which sucks, but because like there's a lot of there's Whole Foods, there's Target, there's, you know, Giant. It's just like the houses are far away, which sucks. Also, I'm sweating because it's hot outside. It's like 84 degrees outside right now, and I'm like dripping sweat. Fun, but I made $11 so far, so the lady tipped me $5, so I'm pretty happy about that. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, I'm just going to continue editing as always. The time is 2:38, and I think I actually might sit down and I actually might watch some TV, which I never do during my day because I feel like it's just wasting time. But honestly, it's not, because I have a job. I do side work, clearly. You know, like I have these things, and I'm clearly always working every single day to get better at this progress, but having some time during the day to like reset and like chill out by myself is good. So I might watch some TV, journal, do the good mind healthy things, I guess. Also, I mean, I feel like as Americans, we prioritize only money. Because that's what I do. To be frank, I'm kind of over it, because all I need money for is traveling. Oh, and also probably paying some rent. But like, you know, other than that, I don't need more things. I really don't. So it's like, you know, what do I need? Well, I need travel. I need my girlfriend to be happy with me. I need food and freedom, or at least the sense of it. Because that's what we all just want. We all just want freedom. And when you come to America, you think you're getting it, but really, you're getting the complete opposite. Your freedoms are all taken away. My opinion, don't come at me. It's just what I think. But I think, you know, even as a world, we all have this weird, strange sense of freedom. And it's not really talked about in other countries as much because they're relaxed. Hustle culture isn't a thing. They love what they do for work. You know, I was watching a video, I forget where it was. It might have been in India or something, but their work hours are so long. However, they love what they do. Like, their retirement age is so much later, but they love what they do and they're happy doing it. I was blown at that fact. I was like, wow. Because you come to America, you ask at least 95% of people, like, hey, what are you doing? Do you like doing it? No? Okay. And they're doing it for 30, 40 plus years at the same company, doing the same thing, getting the same wage. I mean, I don't know how to deal with this concept of American society. And I really would love to document and kind of conceptualize it, but it's so dramatically big that I don't know how to capture that essence, I guess, that idea. Okay. Half of it isn't. What is going on here? My cat is going into one of the smallest bits of sunlight that she has. I'm gonna take her outside. Rose, come here. Come on, Rose. Squirrel, Rose. Come on. Yeah, come on, get your ass out of here. Come on, you have the big sun patch, Rose. Come on, girl. Yeah, Rose, it's nice and it's sunny. You can have your sun patch, Rose. There we go. We finally got her to sit in the sun. Now she's cleaning herself. It works out great. Oh, she loves the sun. I've been just going through my Instagram because I'm cleaning out all the people that I just don't want to follow anymore. So I literally have like reduced it by 200 people. Like honestly, like if I don't know you, if I don't talk to you, like there's no connection. You know what I mean? Like there's no reason for me to keep up with you if I don't know you anymore. You know what I mean? If I don't know your life, I just, you know, it's just, but it's like that, you know, no hard feelings. It's just like, I can't do it. It's cluttered to me. It's just clutter. That being said, all my people that I met at camp, they're still there because I never know if I'm gonna go back to see them. I don't know, you know, where they are. Most of them are like traveling people, so I like to see where they go. You know, it's just like a whole thing. But everybody else, people in high school, people in middle school that I used to know, out. I don't know you anymore. There's no reason.
Telemarketing centers and more.
So I'm learning a lot about like different photographers and like street photographers because I really want to like one day come out with a photography book. I feel like that would be super cool with like a collection of like some things because I am always taking photos, right? Photos and videos, and I put them sometimes in my videos. And I just feel like it'd be cool to have a book, like my own photography book. Like that would be so cool. I don't really know how to do that, and I'm kind of still like gaining information. Look what my girlfriend brought home.
Well, let me call her. I'll call you. His phone's about to die.
Of course it is. Wow, it's echoey in there.
Yeah, because we got no furniture. Let me walk outside and...
Yeah, give me the tour, quesadilla.
Okay. So this